Let thy food be thy medicine, and thy medicine be thy food. Those are famous words from the ancient Greek physician Hippocrates, often called the father of Western medicine. He prescribed garlic to treat a variety of medical conditions. And today, modern science has confirmed many of these health benefits. With that said, let us now take a look at 10 health benefits of garlic that are supported by scientific research.
And remember what Hippocrates said.
Garlic is a plant in the allium or onion family. It is closely related to onions, shallots, and leeks. Each segment of a garlic bulb is called a clove. There are about 10 to 20 cloves in a single bulb, give or take. Garlic grows in many parts of the world and is a popular ingredient in cooking due to its strong smell and delicious taste. However, throughout ancient history, the main use of garlic was for its health and medicinal properties. Its use was well documented by many major civilizations, including the Egyptians, Babylonians, Greeks, Romans, and the Chinese. Scientists now know that most of garlic's health benefits are caused by sulfur compounds formed when a garlic clove is chopped, crushed, or chewed. Modern research also shows that garlic may have some real health benefits, such as protection against the common cold and the ability to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Perhaps the most well-known compound is allicin. However, allicin is an unstable compound that is only briefly present in fresh garlic after it has been cut or crushed. Other compounds that may play a role in garlic's health benefits include diallyl disulfide and S-allylcysteine, a chemical compound that has two atoms of sulfur combined with one or more elements. The sulfur compounds from garlic enters the body by way of the digestive tract. They then travel all over your body, exerting strong biological effects. Number 1. Garlic is highly nutritious and has very few calories. A single clove, that's 3 grams of raw garlic, contains manganese, 2% of the daily value, vitamin B6, 2% of the daily value, vitamin C, 1% of the daily value, selenium, 1% of the daily value, and the fiber, 0.6 grams of the daily value, and this comes with 4.5 calories, 0.2 grams of protein, and 1 gram of carbs. Number 2. Garlic can help protect against illnesses, including the common cold. Garlic supplements are known to boost the function of the immune system. A 12-week study found that daily garlic supplement reduced the number of colds by 63% compared with a placebo. The average length of cold symptoms was also reduced by 70%, from 5 days in the placebo group to just 1.5 days in the garlic group. Another study found that a high dose of aged garlic extract, 2.56 grams per day, reduced the number of days sick with cold or flu by 61%. However, one review concluded that the evidence is insufficient and more research is needed. Despite the lack of strong evidence though, adding garlic to your diet may be worth trying if you often get colds. And from personal experience, this actually worked for me, so try it. Number 3. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Cardiovascular diseases like heart attack and stroke are responsible for more deaths than almost any other condition. High blood pressure or hypertension is one of the most important factors that may lead to these diseases. Human studies have found garlic supplements to have a significant impact on reducing blood pressure in people with hypertension. In another study, 600 to 1500 mg of aged garlic extract was just as effective as the drug atenolol at reducing blood pressure over a 24-week period. Nonetheless, supplementary doses must be fairly high to have desired effects. The amount needed is equivalent to about 4 cloves of garlic per day. Number 4. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Garlic can lower total and LDL, that's bad cholesterol. For those with high cholesterol, garlic supplements appear to reduce total and LDL cholesterol by about 10 to 15%. Looking at LDL, bad, and HDL, good cholesterol specifically, garlic appears to lower LDL but has no reliable effect on HDL. High triglyceride levels are another known risk factor for heart disease. but garlic seems to have no significant effects on triglyceride levels. Number 5. Garlic contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Oxidative damage from free radicals contributes to the aging process. Garlic contains antioxidants that support the body's protective mechanism against oxidative damage. High doses of garlic supplements have been shown to increase antioxidant enzymes in humans, as well as significantly reduce oxidative stress in people with high blood pressure. The combined effects on reducing cholesterol and blood pressure, as well as the antioxidant properties, may reduce the risk of common brain conditions like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Number 6. Garlic may help you live longer. The potential effects of garlic on longevity are basically impossible to prove in humans, but given the beneficial effects and important risk factors like blood pressure, it makes sense that garlic could help you live longer. The fact that it can fight infectious disease is also an important factor, because these are common causes of death, especially in the elderly or people with dysfunctional immune systems. Number 7. Athletic performance might be improved with garlic supplements. Garlic was one of the earliest performance-enhancing substances. It was traditionally used in Asian cultures to reduce fatigue and improve the work capacity of laborers. Most notably, it was given to Olympic athletes in ancient Greece. Rodent studies have shown that garlic helps with exercise performance, but very few human studies have been done. In one small study, people with heart disease who took garlic oil for 6 weeks had a 12% reduction in peak heart rate and better exercise capacity. However, a study on 9 competitive cyclists found no performance benefits. Other studies suggest exercise-induced fatigue may be reduced with garlic. Number 8. Eating garlic may help detoxify heavy metals in the body. At high doses, the sulfur compounds in garlic have been shown to protect against organ damage from heavy metal toxicity. A 4-week study in employees at a car battery plant who had excessive exposure to lead found that garlic reduced the lead levels in the blood by 19%. It also reduced many clinical signs of toxicity, including headaches and blood pressure. 3 doses of garlic each day even outperformed the drug penicillamine in reducing symptoms. Number 9. Garlic may improve bone health. No human studies have measured the effects of garlic on bone loss. However, rodent studies have shown that it can minimize bone loss by increasing estrogen levels in females. One study in menopausal women found that a daily dose of dry garlic extract equal to 2 grams of raw garlic significantly decreased a marker for estrogen deficiency. This suggests that this supplement may have beneficial effects on bone health in women. Foods like garlic and onions may also have beneficial effects on osteoarthritis. Number 10. Garlic is very easy to include in your diet. It complements most savory dishes, particularly soups and sauces and dips. The strong taste of garlic can also add a punch to otherwise bland recipes. Garlic comes in several forms, from whole cloves and smooth paste to powders and supplements like garlic extract and garlic oil. A common way to use garlic is to press a few cloves of fresh garlic with a garlic press, then mix it with extra virgin olive oil and a little salt. This works as a very simple and nutritious salad dressing. However, keep in mind that there are some downsides to garlic, such as bad breath. There are some people who are allergic to it. If you have a bleeding disorder or taking blood thinning medications, talk with your doctor before increasing your garlic intake. Let me know if this video was interesting or informative. Thank you for watching.
Elite Jamaica.